Hey guys, welcome to my channel Flavors of My World. Today I'm here with the recipe of eggless roast pistachio cookies. These are crispy on the outside but crumbly on the inside. Completely delicious. So to know how to make these, make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, we will take 50 grams of unsalted butter at room temperature and 50 grams of powdered sugar. Now cream them well together till they are light and fluffy. You can either use an electric whisk like I am using over here, or you can even do the process with the help of an hand whisk. It will be just fine. Now always remember, while creaming the butter and sugar together, in between to scrape your bowl with the help of a spatula and then continue the process. This way the creaming process will be even. Now to this we will add our flavorings. For that, add half teaspoon rose water and half teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix that well as well. Now rose water is really commonly found in all the grocery stores, so you can easily find that. Even online on Amazon it is available. Now we will be sieving in our dry ingredients. For that, sieve in 100 grams maida or all-purpose flour and half a teaspoon of baking powder. Make sure there are no lumps in our dry ingredients. Now mix this with the help of a spatula very lightly, and then just to mix it more properly, switch on your electric whisk at the lowest setting and only mix it for about 7 to 8 seconds because we don't want to activate the gluten. After that, we will be adding 1/4 cup of finely chopped unsalted pistachio and a few dried rose petals. But this is optional. If you don't want the rose flavor to be very prominent, you can just stick to the rose water. But if you want to add these, this will provide a really nice flavor to your cookies. Once that is done, mix it together, and now we will cream the butter, sugar and the maida together with the help of our hands. What this will do is it will help our cookies to be really crumbly. So do this properly, but do not overwork the dough or your cookies can turn out to be stodgy. Now to this, add 2 teaspoons of really cold milk and bring the dough together. Do not knead it, just bring the dough together. Once the dough comes together, and if you feel that it is really soft, just pop it in the fridge for about 15 to 20 minutes. That is it. After that, dust the surface really generously and then roll out your cookie dough. Roll it till it is about 2 to 3 centimeter thick. Now you can cut out the cookies of your desired shape, desired size. I am using over here a small container. You can use a cookie cutter or a cap, anything you want. Now place it in a baking tray. Make sure to leave little spaces in the between. Now is the time to bake it. For baking it, we will be preheating our oven at 180 degrees Celsius and then bake it for 12 to 13 minutes. When you take out the cookies, first you will feel that they are a little soft, but they are just completely done. Leave it on the baking tray itself for about 10 minutes and then they will be done and ready to eat. Guys, look at the color, look at the crispiness. It is just wonderful. So make sure to try these at home. And if you like this video, click on that like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you.